The price of sporting events have steadily increased over recent years. In 2008, tickets were approximately $27, and in 2013, they were $49. Find the rate at which tickets have been increasing. Okay, so when we're talking about a rate, this is the same thing as finding slope, in case you wondered. So the rate of change. Well, if we think about it, we kind of have two ordered pairs. In 2008, they were $27. And if we're going to be writing a linear model, I'm going to say let x equal 0 for 2008. That means for 2013, x will be 5, because 5 years have passed between, right? So x equals 0 for 2008. Now, when we find our slope, our rate of change, well, in 2013, the price of tickets were $49, and in 2008, they were $27. Well, there's a difference of 5 years, and you could just put 5 on the bottom if you'd like. But in terms of finding our slope, we use our ordered pairs. I'm sorry, I should have written that out. So in 2008, we have the ordered pair 0, 27, and in 2013, we have the ordered pair 5, 49. So remember, slope, noted by M, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where here we have x2, y2, x1, y1. And that's how I got the numbers over here in this orange piece. Sorry about that. Kind of got ahead of myself. So when I subtract in the numerator, I have 22, and in the denominator, I have 5. And 22 divided by 5 is 4.40, right? There's my rate of change. So essentially, the tickets have been increasing at $4.40 per year. That's kind of what it means, right? Because when we divide, we get it per 1. Okay, so 440 is our rate of change. That would be our slope. And to create a linear model, well, so we'll now use this information to create a linear model to represent this relationship. So remember, our linear model is y equals mx plus b. So I have y equals, now m is our slope, and we found that to be $4.40 times x plus our y-intercept. Well, our y-intercept is where x is 0. So our y-intercept has a value of 27. And there's my linear model. Now in part C, it says use that model to predict ticket prices in 2030. So again, my model is y equals $4.40 x plus 27. Well, in 2030, what's the value of x? Well, if you go back to the very beginning, remember that let x equal 0 for 2008. So when I'm thinking about this, if I have in 2008 x equals 0, well, in 2030, that's 22 years later, so x is 22. So in my equation here, I will have y equals 4.4 times 22 plus 27. And recall that this is the order of operations, so we have to multiply first. So y equals 96.8 plus 27. So if ticket prices continue to increase at this with a constant rate, in the year 2030, we will have ticket prices of $123.80. I personally hope it doesn't happen because I really like tickets, and that's really expensive.